Have you ever wondered what secrets history still holds for us to uncover? Remarkable discoveries in the last decade have revealed astonishing facets of our past. The purpose of our video today is to illuminate these hidden corners of history, to share the thrill of unearthing lost worlds and forgotten civilizations. Over the last 10 years, countless findings have reshaped our understanding of who we are and where we've come from. Join us on this journey through time as we delve into 5 of the most remarkable historical discoveries in the past decade. In 2018, a groundbreaking discovery was made in Newfoundland, Canada, which confirmed the Viking presence in North America far before Columbus. At Point Rosy, archaeologists unearthed a Viking settlement, effectively rewriting the narrative of North American exploration. This find highlighted the Vikings' extensive exploration capabilities and challenged our pre-existing notions of their journey. It seems the Vikings weren't just seafaring warriors, but intrepid explorers, venturing further west than we ever imagined. The Vikings, it seems, were even more adventurous than we previously believed. In 2019, Egyptologists unveiled a stunning discovery in King Tutankhamun's tomb, a hidden chamber that could potentially hold Queen Nefertiti's remains. This revelation sent ripples of excitement through the historical and academic communities. If proven true, it could dramatically reshape our understanding of Egyptian history, particularly about the famous Amarna period. This hidden chamber, concealed behind the northern wall of Tutankhamun's burial chamber, has sparked a debate among Egyptologists. Some argue it could be the final resting place of Nefertiti, the stepmother of Tutankhamun, and a pivotal figure in Egyptian history. Others, however, express skepticism and caution, suggesting further research and validation are needed. Regardless of the differing opinions, the discovery has undoubtedly reignited global fascination with Egypt's ancient past. It has reminded us that every stone unturned in the land of the pharaohs holds potential secrets waiting to be unveiled. The mysteries of ancient Egypt continue to captivate us even in the 21st century. Fast forward to 2020, a new species of early human, Homo luzonensis, was discovered in the Philippines. This revelation shook the foundations of our understanding of human evolution. Homo luzonensis, with its unique blend of primitive and advanced features, brings a new complexity to our ancestral narrative. Its small stature, curved fingers and toes, and unique teeth structure suggest a different evolutionary path. This discovery reminds us that our past is far from straightforward. Our human family tree, it appears, has more branches than we once thought. These discoveries, each in their own right, have reshaped our understanding of human history. The Viking presence in North America expanded our knowledge of their far-reaching voyages. The hidden chamber in Tutankhamun's tomb gave us a glimpse into the life of an ancient Egyptian king. The unearthing of Homo luzonensis revealed a new branch on the human evolutionary tree. Each discovery, significant in its own way, peels back a layer of our collective past. As we continue to dig deeper into our past, who knows what other secrets history has in store for us?